Ira Koyner, president and founder of Triathlon Partners, is joining us. Welcome, Ira. A lot of investors talk about diversification as the key to building a portfolio with protection against market sell-offs. What's your perspective on that approach?
Well, we have a different perspective here at Triathlon Partners. We believe that people think of diversification as eggs in one basket. And if you have diversification, maybe you have many baskets, or maybe you have a lot of things besides eggs in the basket. But when you look at investing for the long term for retirement goals, it's a long race. It's like a triathlon. You have your swimming, you have your running, you have your biking, and you can be the best at all these things and holding these baskets. But when things are coming at you, some of these baskets are going to fall.
Mm.
Market volatility is always going to be there. Inflation is going to be there. I can tell you it's definitely going to happen. I can't tell you when. So it's not the asset that protects you. We have to put it in a better product. And that's what we find.
Okay. Well, how do you educate your clients then on volatility without making them afraid, especially when safe investments can still lose their value?
Well, that's great. Great question. And what we do is we go back to that metaphor about the race and the baskets. And what we want to keep people safe is, well, if you're in a car or a bike, you get better shocks, you get airbags, you get a seatbelt, and those protect your portfolio. And we show them the actual products that are just fantastic out there that maybe have the first 10% of the loss of the market. You're not on the hook for that. It's embedded in the product. We show them things on how to grow your money tax deferred, how to get your money out tax free. So there are tons of products out there that are just beyond what you would look at your statement. You get your broker statement, clients come to me, 30, 40 different things. That's not diversification. You own a lot of stuff, but it's not going to protect you against market sell-offs, inflation. So these are really important things that people have to keep in mind.
Real quick, key difference between taxable, tax deferred, tax free investment strategies. Why does that matter so much?
Well, the reason it matters so much is it really creates an opportunity of flexibility when you retire. Most people concentrate on saving as much money as possible. And again, you want to have that tax deferred. You don't have to pay taxes, and tax free is great as well. But people forget you have to have a retirement spending strategy. And that retirement spending strategy means having buckets of money that's going to be taxable and money that's going to be tax free, because you want to maximize the savings. You have to remember, looking at your 401k or IRA account, 30% of that money is not yours. It's the government's. So how do we maximize that?
Yeah. Thank you, Ira.